my Lews Super Duty 300. The handles, they're coming apart in my hands. Gonna have to do something about that. Well, getting your hands filthy while just merely running your reel, unacceptable. So these old black Lews handles are coming off, and they're going to be replaced with a brand new Lews Speed Shop. These are expensive. These are like $16 each. I thought I was getting two for $16, but it doesn't work that way. You only order them one at a time. So I've got two. Let's see if we can't get them on this reel. So first thing, we're going to unscrew these caps. A little cap there that is covering the hole there. And inside that hole is a little teeny screw. And we're going to see if we can't get that screw out and release this handle. For that, I'm going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. And there we are, the little screw. And boy, this thing's just nasty. So let's take that, put that off to the side, keep our little screw handy here. Cap screw. Aha. Wedged down in there is a ball bearing. And this ball bearing needs to be transferred to the new setup here. So, let's see how this is going to work. All right, I've transferred the bearing down inside there. I'm wondering, I think this goes on there. This goes like that. And this there we go. And look at that. Spins just as pretty as can be. I guess it helps if you know there's a bearing in there. First time I've ever done this, so as they say, there's a first time for everything. All right. One down, one to go. Let's see if we can't get this sorted out here. You might hear the thunder in the background. It is Florida in August, and we have lightning. All right, there's our little screw. And there's our nylon. It's going to go the new cap. Now, this punch works really good. Slide the bearing onto the punch. Slide the punch down into the shaft. And upside down. And that lines it up perfect. Now we will slide this over here. Make sure our bearing's lined up. That appears to be lined up. Now, let's see if we can't get that. Wow, and that is on. Grab our new cap. Cap nut there. Wow. Oh yeah, that is gonna work. Now, back out to do a little pitching. Here we go.